Hello everyone, I'm Parsa. Welcome to Real English Podcast. Today we are going to learn something very useful for your daily life. We will go through 100 important daily routine sentences that you can use every day. These sentences will help you think in English naturally, speak more confidently, and make English part of your life. Whether you are at home, at school, at work, or even with friends, these sentences will be your guide. So if you want to improve your English quickly and make it part of your daily routine, stay with me until the end of this video. Let's get started. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. Example: today I woke up at 7 and went for a short walk before breakfast. Sometimes I feel tired, but I try to start my day with energy. Example: even though I was tired this morning, I drank water and stretched to feel awake. I stretch my arms and legs to wake up my body. Example: I stretch for 5 minutes before getting out of bed. I turn off the alarm clock. Example: I turned off my alarm and opened the curtains to see the sunlight. I make my bed before leaving the bedroom. Example: I folded my blanket neatly and put my pillows in order. I opened the window to get some fresh air. Example: the cold morning air felt refreshing when I opened the window. I brushed my teeth with minty toothpaste. Example: I brushed my teeth for 2 minutes to start the day fresh. I wash my face with cold water. Example: the cold water woke me up and made me feel alert. I look in the mirror and smile to myself. I pack my bag with everything I need. Example: I put my laptop, notebook, and lunch in my bag. I put on my shoes and jacket. Example: I wore my sneakers and a warm jacket for the walk to the bus stop. I say goodbye to my family. Example: I hugged my sister and said, "See you tonight." I leave home and walk to the bus stop. Example: I enjoyed the fresh air while walking down the street. I listen to music or podcasts on the way. Example: I listen to an English podcast about daily routines. I arrive at work or school. Example: I walked into the classroom and greeted my classmates. I greet my friends or colleagues with a smile. Example: I said good morning to everyone I met. I check my emails or messages at work. Example: I replied to my boss's email quickly before starting my tasks. I look at my schedule for the day. Example: I saw I had 2 meetings and a project to finish. I join a meeting or class. Example: I listened carefully and took notes during the meeting. I listened carefully to my teacher or boss. Example: I wrote down all important points to remember later. I take notes while listening. Example: I used a notebook to jot down key details. I ask questions if I don't understand. Example: I asked, "Can you explain this part again, please?" I share my ideas with others. Example: I said, "I think we could try this approach." I drink water to stay focused. Example: I kept a bottle of water on my desk and sipped often. I sometimes drink coffee during a break. Example: I enjoyed a cup of coffee and talked with friends for 5 minutes. I chat with my friends or co-workers during the break. Example: we shared stories about our weekends and laughed together. I continue my work or studies. Example: I return to my tasks with more energy and focus. I try to stay productive. Example: I completed 3 important tasks before lunch. I complete my tasks one by one. Example: I ticked off my to-do list as I finished each job. I feel happy when I finish something important. Example: Finishing the report early made me feel proud of myself. Example: seeing my smile in the mirror gave me a positive start. I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Example: I made eggs and toast and sat down to eat. I drink a glass of water before eating. Example: drinking water first thing helps me feel energetic. I sometimes have eggs and toast for breakfast. Example: today I had scrambled eggs with a slice of toast. I sometimes eat cereal with milk. Example: I poured cereal into a bowl and added fresh milk. I usually drink coffee or tea in the morning. Example: I prepared a cup of coffee to wake myself up. I sit at the table and enjoy my breakfast. Example: I ate slowly while listening to a morning podcast. I check my phone for new messages. Example: I saw a message from my friend about meeting later. I read the news quickly. Example: I check the headlines on my phone for 10 minutes. I think about the things I need to do today. Example: I made a short mental list of my tasks for work. At lunchtime I feel hungry. Example: today I was very hungry, so I ate a sandwich and some fruit. I usually eat lunch at 12 or 1 o'clock. Example: I had lunch at 12:30 with my colleagues at the cafeteria. I sometimes eat at the cafeteria. Example: the cafeteria serves salads and sandwiches, which I enjoy. I sometimes bring food from home. Example: I packed a salad and a sandwich in my lunchbox. I enjoy talking with friends during lunch. Example: we laughed and shared stories while eating. I drink water or juice with my meal. Example: I had a glass of orange juice to stay hydrated. After lunch, I take a short walk. Example: I walked around the park near my office for 10 minutes. I get some fresh air outside. Example: the cool breeze made me feel relaxed. I feel more relaxed after walking. Example: walking helped me feel ready for the next task. I go back to work or class. Example: I returned to my desk and continued writing my report. On the way home, I listened to music. Example: I enjoyed a relaxing playlist while walking. Sometimes I stop at the supermarket. Example: I bought some fruits and vegetables for dinner. I carry the bags home. Example: I held the bags carefully and walked slowly. When I get home, I take off my shoes. Example: I felt relieved after removing my shoes. I wash my hands. Example: I wash my hands with soap and water. I change into comfortable clothes. Example: I wore a t-shirt and sweatpants to relax. I rest on the sofa for a while. Example: I sat on the sofa and checked my phone for messages. I sometimes watch TV or YouTube. Example: I watched a short video about English learning. I sometimes scroll on social media. Example: I checked my Instagram and liked some posts. In the evening, I help prepare dinner. Example: I chopped vegetables and set the table for my family. I enjoy eating dinner with my family. Example: we talked about our day while eating together. After dinner, I cleaned the dishes. Example: I washed plates and put them in the cupboard. I sometimes take out the trash. Example: I put the trash bag outside before going to relax. I relax after dinner. Example: I sat on the balcony and enjoyed the cool evening air. I call or text my friends. Example: I sent a message to my friend about meeting tomorrow. I sometimes go for a walk outside. Example: I walked around the neighborhood for 15 minutes. I play games or listen to music. Example: I played a short game on my phone to relax. I sometimes read a book. Example, I read a few pages from a novel before sleeping. At night, I take a shower. Example, I showered to feel clean and refreshed before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. Example, I brushed carefully for 2 minutes. I put on my pajamas. Example, I changed into my favorite comfortable pajamas. I prepare my bag for the next day. Example, I packed my notebook and lunch for tomorrow. I check my phone one last time. Example, I replied to a few messages before turning it off. I set my alarm clock. Example, I set it for 7 o'clock in the morning. I sometimes write in my diary. Example, I wrote a few sentences about my day and feelings. I read a book to relax. Example, I read a short story to calm my mind. I turn off the lights in my room. Example, I made sure everything was off and comfortable. I lie down in bed. Example, I got under the blanket and closed my eyes. I think about the good things from today. Example, I remembered the fun conversation I had with my friend. I feel thankful before sleeping. Example, I said thank you for the good moments and lessons of the day. I focus on finishing my tasks. Example, I made a list and ticked off tasks one by one. I read, write, or work on the computer. Example, I typed emails and edited documents carefully. I sometimes feel sleepy in the afternoon. Example, after lunch I felt a bit tired and stretched for a few minutes. I drink tea to feel more awake. Example, I prepared a cup of green tea to stay alert. I attend another meeting or class. Example, I participated actively and asked questions when needed. I check my to-do list. Example, I reviewed my list and prioritized the most important tasks. I finish important work before the end of the day. Example, I completed the project and sent it to my manager. I cleaned my desk before leaving. Example, I put away my papers and organized my workspace. I say goodbye to my co-workers or classmates. Example, I waved and said, "See you tomorrow." I leave the office or school. Example, I walked home feeling satisfied with my day. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today. We have learned 100 daily routine sentences together. These sentences are very important because we use them every day in real life. When you practice these sentences regularly, you will think less in your native language. You will start thinking directly in English, and that is the key to speaking fluently. Remember, the goal is not perfection, the goal is communication. It is normal to make mistakes at the beginning. The important thing is to keep practicing and keep speaking. The more you use these sentences, the more natural they will feel. You can use them when you wake up, at school, at work, with friends, and before going to bed. Say the sentences out loud. Listen to them many times. Repeat them every day. Gradually, your brain will accept English as a normal part of daily life. You will no longer translate in your head. You will start thinking naturally in English. Your speaking will become faster. Now, before we finish, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this video, learned something new, or found it helpful, please support my channel by subscribing to RIB English Podcast. Click the subscribe button and join our community. When you subscribe, you will get more lessons, tips, and daily exercises every week. Also, don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends who are learning English too. Together, we can help more people practice English daily. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we are all on this journey together. Keep practicing, keep listening, keep speaking. use what you learned today. Tomorrow, try to use 10 new sentences from this video. Every day, little by little, your English will improve. You will feel more confident. You will enjoy speaking English. You will see your progress clearly. Your efforts will pay off. So start today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Use your English now. Practice these daily routine sentences out loud. Use them in your life. Make English a habit. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And remember, you are capable of learning English. You are making progress every day. Every step counts. Every sentence counts. Keep going. Never give up. And once again, please subscribe to Real English Podcast. Click the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Practice these sentences every day. Your journey to fluency starts now. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy you joined me today. Take care, keep practicing, and see you in the next video. Your confidence will increase. You will feel proud of yourself. Every day, try to use at least 5 to 10 sentences in real life. You can talk to your family, friends, or even yourself. Practice is the key to success. Learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It is about using English in real-life situations. When you practice daily routine sentences, you are preparing yourself for real conversations. You will notice improvements quickly if you are consistent. Take small steps every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The important thing is to keep moving forward. Remember, English is not just a subject. It is a skill, and skills get better with practice. Try to make English part of your daily routine. Listen to English songs. Watch short videos. Read simple stories. Talk to yourself in English. Repeat these daily routine sentences every day. Soon you will think, speak, and even dream in English.